Tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Central Standard Time, CRO with Knife token is getting listed on a centralized exchange, BITMART, and the Crypto.com and Cronos community have officially voted this token as the #1 meme token in this space. And I'm not just coming out and saying that off the top of my head. I've got data to share those results with you guys. And this is a fact. At this point, this community has grown so strong that it is winning votes on a variety of platforms across a variety of accounts. And now they have an exchange listing coming, and they're even teasing, the developer is teasing more exchange listings in the future. I want to talk about CRO Coin today, what's going on with the price action there, the overall meme coin ecosystem in the Cronos space, and one of the major aggregators and what they've done to also aid in the excitement surrounding this meme coin explosion that's been occurring on this chain, which has yet to see its day in the sun, if you will, that is inevitably supposed to come in this upcoming bull market. Welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today I want to talk about CRO with Knife, Cronos, and some of the other tokens in this ecosystem. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content, and let's just get right in. So today, Bitcoin is coming in at $63,200, coming back up in the last 24 hours. We saw this thing wick down below $60,000 recently, and what you'll notice is the fear and greed index is getting more fearful down into the neutral category, when just a few weeks ago we were in this bright green over here and things were absolutely pumping. Bitcoin's been cooling off, and so what we've seen is Cronos coin has actually sold off quite a bit as well, down 16% over the last 7 days, but it has been holding up very strong compared to some of the other tokens in this space. In fact, it actually made its way back into the top 30, which is very beautiful to see for CRO Coin holders, and so you should be celebrating this. And as for why this thing is strong right now, well, Cronos has always been a relatively stable token. It might have not have had some of the pumps that some of the other tokens have had yet, but it has been very stable. And I think one of the reasons that it's holding up is because it's always been a stable coin, but another reason is the excitement in the Cronos ecosystem. And there is no doubt that this meme coin mania has been a big part of it. And one of the leading tokens in this meme coin mania that's been occurring on Cronos lately, besides Corgi AI, which is the first Cronos meme token that got to $1 billion market cap, the next most exciting thing has been CRO with Knife so far, which is very simply just a meme of a crow with its knife in its mouth. This has been a community token, just organic growth, and the community actually raised $30-something thousand, about $37,000, I believe, in less than 24 hours to raise money to get listed on BITMART. And this is happening, guys, at 10 a.m. UTC, which is 5 a.m. Central Standard Time tomorrow, guys. So this is coming up. Be aware of that, just because it is something that it's going to be interesting to watch, whether you hold the token or not. The reason being is because we've seen a lot of different votes that have happened on a variety of accounts. Let's start with VVS Finance. VVS Finance is the largest DEX on Cronos out there right now, and they have been putting out some votes. In fact, they've been promoting the meme coin mania that's been occurring. In fact, look at this little advertisement from VVS Finance themselves. Meme mania is what they're calling it. And they've been putting out votes so the community could vote for their favorite memes. Well, right now this vote is still underway, and this vote actually ended earlier today. And let's see who the winner was. I actually pulled the screenshot up for you once again. #1, and you can see it was voted 213 times versus the second runner-up. Shout out to the Mary community, which is looking very strong right now as well. That got 139 votes. But again, CRO with Knife is the winner, absolutely demolishing the CROB token, which has a $20 million market cap. And this CRO with Knife token only has about a $12 million market cap. And so arguably some more upside for this if it continues to exchange listings, and if there are more buyers that come along, and if this project remains the integrity that it's had. So far, it's definitely off to a great start. But there's a vote where, again, they're going to come out on top now for the third or fourth week in a row, where they have been voted by the community as the top meme token. Inevitably, I do believe personally that this thing should and could get listed on Crypto.com's app, which would bring more buyers to the table for that. But not only VVS's vote, CRO with Knife is also having some success on another vote here. Wolfswap, one of the newest aggregators, the big aggregator DEX on Cronos right now, they have been also aiding in the excitement surrounding this meme token ecosystem, whitelisting a variety of the meme tokens in the Cronos space. And they put out a vote recently, and the winner of the vote of whichever the best meme token is, it lands first place. They're going to give a 3x boost point for the airdrop that they have coming up. And there's a leaderboard for this DEX, and people are actually trying to trade on this platform to earn points because there's an airdrop coming out from this team in the next week or so. And so now if you're trading Crow with Knife on this platform, again, another great ad for Crow with Knife that just happened organically, they're going to get 3x points. So now another reason why Crow with Knife is looking decent right now, it's getting voted in many, many places. VVS, they voted #1. Wolfswap, they voted at #1. So the community has officially spoken. As for the token and the price of it, well, there's an exchange listing coming again tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. And this token has absolutely broken out of this descending wedge that it's been coming through, moved to the upside. Now, today we had a big wick to the downside, and you might wonder, well, where the heck did that big sell pressure come from? And the answer, guys, is the dev himself sold, I believe, about $100,000 worth of this token because he owns a huge portion of the supply. Now, why would he do that? Is that a bad thing? Is that a good thing? I think it's a good thing, and here's why, guys. Because he came out in the Discord, announced that he did this, told it very transparently to the community, and he said now he's got 100K on the sidelines ready for what? Another exchange listing. He's targeting another centralized exchange, and they're going to, now he raised his own funds by taking profit to use these funds to continue to develop the excitement and the growth for more exchange listings for this token. At least that's what he's saying at this point. And honestly, from the moves that he's made, the dev on this, his name is Destruction, he has made moves only in the positive direction. You could look at the sell-off as a scary thing that the dev sold some tokens, but I think this is fantastic. You would want a dev to sell, do the tokens for a burn potentially, or to sell tokens to continue to get more advertising for the project, just as you might see an allocation on white paper for, how the tokenomics are for a particular token, X amount of money for marketing, X amount of money for this, X amount of money for that. The dev is using his money to continue to prop this thing up and get it on more centralized exchanges, and that's what you're going to want to see. In the meantime, the tokens within Cronos are doing well. There's a new one that came out today that's absolutely exploding as well. I know nothing about this one, but this thing's up 13,000% today, only at a $1.4 million market cap. So this meme coin mania is continuing to occur, guys. Now, I think this is significant because right now the Cronos price is actually coming down, but that doesn't mean that, this thing is bearish or anything like that. This is just a straight up altcoin sell-off as Bitcoin's been consolidating around the $60,000 level. A lot of all altcoins almost have been selling off. The meme tokens, however, have been holding very strong. And even while Cronos coin is back down to 12 cents, which is where I said we could land easily again, get more dips down to 12 cents, and here we are today. This token has been holding up better than other coins, in my opinion. Why? Because, again, this thing is still rank number 30 and has been climbing the ranks. And I would like to believe that because of the excitement surrounding this meme coin ecosystem and the altcoins within the Cronos ecosystem overall, this is what is keeping this community excited right now. It's keeping this community alive. The Crow fam, the Cronos community has always been very strong, but it's gotten a lot of fun in the past on saying it was a dead chain. Well, this chain looks very much alive to me right now. Now, by total value locked up in the ecosystem, it still has a long ways to go. But remember, guys, this chain only launched in the peak of the last bull market, has not seen the true stretch of a full-fledged bull market when this chain existed. And I think the excitement in this ecosystem and some of the name recognition that could occur because of the excitement on this meme mania that's going on could help Cronos into the future. As for the price action on Cronos, guys, I do think we could hold this 12-cent level. Of course, if Bitcoin slips further down, then we might see CRO Coin break back down below 10 cents. We wouldn't want to see that. But if Bitcoin decides to crash further, then you would expect a major sell-off, and not just CRO, but every single altcoin out there, presenting more buying opportunities. Nonetheless, guys, I do believe that this is a fantastic buying opportunity for CRO Coin. Just the other day, this thing was at 18 cents, which is about a 50 or 60% gain from here. Incredible gain potential that could come very swiftly in these crypto markets, especially with a lower cap meme coin compared to a Bitcoin or an Ethereum at least. This thing's got a 3-point-something billion market cap. Money can flow into these things pretty fast. Altcoins, you can make quite a bit more money than if you buy a Bitcoin or an Ethereum or a Solana, which have much larger market caps. Cronos it's more of a mid cap. I think it's got a lot of upside. In the previous bull market, this token got to $1. I've said repeatedly on this channel, I believe this thing can get from anywhere from $2 to $5 in this upcoming bull market. And there's so many reasons for that, from the marketing, from the licensing that they have across the world in a variety of countries, expanding to new markets. Now they're going into South Korea, I believe, and they just got a virtual asset provider license in Dubai, and I think they're going into Hong Kong soon. Things are looking good for this community. I like to see what's happening in the meme space, but as always, guys, you have to be careful with meme tokens. Nothing is a sure bet in crypto, and meme coins are much more risky. There could be more upside, especially with a lower market cap play, but what we must remember is, first off, you got to do your own research. You must take profit on the way up, and you got to follow the excitement, guys. And please, 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 take profit on the way up. Secure your initial investment if you can. And that's not financial advice, guys. That's just my strategy. I want to see people make money, not lose money. But this is very exciting. A big exchange listing coming and potentially more down the road for this token, which is awesome to see. As for Cronos, I remain extremely bullish on this coin. My goal is to take profits out of the meme tokens within the Cronos ecosystem into the Cronos coin itself and possibly into some other altcoins, depending on how much I end up making on these meme tokens. That's my strategy, guys. Those are my thoughts for the day on this. I want to share that news with you guys in another video. Thanks for tuning into the Crypto Report. My name is Crypto Kip. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.